Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can enter checks directly into the checking account register rather than through the Write Checks window if you prefer. This doesn't let you see how the check will appear if printed, but it may seem familiar to you since it looks like a typical checkbook register. Also, for businesses that may not write very many checks or don't use QuickBooks for printing checks, it may simply be easier to transfer the information from the paper check register into this register for accounting purposes. Note that for any accounts that appear on the balance sheet of your company, you have an associated register you can access to view and/or edit the transactions contained within them. Using the register can be useful to view the transactions in any account, like accounts payable or accounts receivable. To open an account register, first ensure you don't have any screens open within QuickBooks. Then select Banking, Use Register from the menu bar to open the Use Register window. In the Use Register window, use the Select Account drop-down to choose the desired account, like checking, for example. After selecting the account, click the OK button to continue to the Register window. To record an entry into the Account Register window, use the Next Available blank row to enter the transaction information. When finished, click the Record button at the bottom of the window to save the transaction. You can view any of the transactions in a register individually by double-clicking the desired transaction to open it within its corresponding form view within QuickBooks.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.